Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Binance account with your bank account. We'll cover the essential steps to link your financial institution, ensuring smooth deposits and withdrawals. You'll learn about the different methods available, from direct bank transfers to peer-to-peer options. This guide will help you navigate the process with confidence, making your crypto journey more accessible and secure. Binance offers several ways to connect your bank. The most common is a direct bank transfer, such as SEPA for European users or SWIFT for international transfers. You can also link a credit or debit card for instant fiat deposits, though these often incur a small fee, typically around 2%. Additionally, Binance's peer-to-peer, or P2P, platform enables you to buy and sell crypto directly with other users using bank transfers, offering great flexibility. The synergy between magnesium and glycine offers profound calming effects. Magnesium is vital for regulating neurotransmitters, which send messages throughout your brain and body, helping to calm the nervous system. Glycine further enhances this by acting as an inhibitory neurotransmitter itself, promoting relaxation and reducing overactivity in the brain. Together, they create a powerful duo for mental and physical calm. When connecting your bank, remember a few crucial points. Always use a bank account that matches the name on your Binance account to prevent issues. While many bank deposits are free, credit or debit card deposits might have a fee, often around 2%. For bank transfers, always include the unique reference code provided by Binance. This ensures your funds are correctly allocated. Processing times can vary, from a few minutes for instant transfers to several business days for standard bank transfers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.